Camera's running. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamila, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my washing goals. I always get questions about my hair, what I use, how I get my hair to essentially look like this. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you all that in great detail. And in this channel, expect everything: hair, fashion, beauty, inspiration, really just overall wellness. And I hope that through my personal development journey, that it too inspires you. Now, without further ado, let's hop into this video.
Okay guys, first thing that I do is I soak my hair for about 5 minutes long, or until my hair is fully drenched. If you have thick, low porosity hair like me, you want to make sure that the water is getting in there. Open up your hair because water is our friend, okay? And we really want to make sure that our shampoo absorbs into our hair. So what I'm doing here, I am using my Olaplex shampoo, and I'm just finger detangling throughout my hair. And I'm also doing the smoothing technique. This technique helps my hair stay elongated while also detangled at the same time as I go and move on to the next sections of my hair. And this is how my hair looks after I thoroughly detangle the back section. And I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the front, and I'm gonna speed through this part. Next, I'm going in using my Olaplex conditioner, and I'm starting with the back sections first and really working that product into my hair. Y'all, do not rush through this process because you want to make sure that the conditioner is not just sitting on top of your hair, and this also helps seal in the moisture from your shampoo. And I'm just further detangling my hair, making sure that it's not free from ends to root, and working in small sections again, and making sure I am keeping my curls elongated and smoothing out my hair, working that conditioner in there. I like to use two combos in my hair when it comes to gels, and the first one is the Uncle Funky's Curly Magic. I really like this gel because it's made out of aloe, and aloe is used to retain water into the hair, and because of that, it keeps my curls stay nicely hydrated. And you can see the difference when I used Uncle Funky's versus no product at all. And the next gel I like to use is InnerSense I Create Hold, and this gel has a stronger hold compared to Uncle Funky's, and I really like it because it keeps the product sealed into my hair, and it really ensures a long-lasting wash and go.
Alright guys, it's been some time now. I took a shower, washed my face and all that, and now I still have the gel products in my hair. You see how like my curls is defined like on its own. I didn't do no finger manipulating or anything. This is just my hair, my curl patterns. But I do like to rake it through in sections just so I can get like that separation and movement. So that's what I'm about to do now, and yeah, I'm about to show y'all how I do it. First, I like to do quadrants. See that? See how good like the product stayed in my hair? I'm sectioning it off. Your parts don't have to be perfect, just, you know, separate enough to where they don't really commingle with the other section. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of water just to add some more weight into my hair and really get that product in there. And you see, I just rake it. I don't twirl it or anything. This is just, see, is my hair. Like, your hair should be already separated when you, during the washing stage, not when you're about to style your hair, because that just makes everything just more and tedious. Also, another thing that helps is having your hair detangled before you gotta style it. It just helps with styling your hair faster too, and it just makes it easier on you. Add a little bit of water. See how my hair is already like separated? I don't have to do nothing. Like, I could leave it just like this, but I just choose to rake it. This can help elongate your curls too. If you're someone who's looking to get more length in your washing goals, try smoothing out your hair. Doing it in smaller sections will definitely help your wash and go last longer. That's definitely something I noticed that worked for my hair, especially if you have thick hair too. Definitely don't want to rush through this. Really take your time so you don't have to do more work later on. So I take this front and I go like this. And it's easier when you thoroughly like detangle your hair real good. So when it comes down to styling it, it's just an easy process. The final look. On curls, on curls, on curls, girls. I had the door open this whole time. It's a mess back there, but this is me just filming my first YouTube video. Okay, please just show me some grace, okay? Back. This is my hair after about an hour under the dryer. As you can see, it's about, I would say it's about 90% dry. My roots are a little bit damp, but that's okay as long as my entire head is dry. My roots are just gonna dry on its own throughout the days, but if you do want to get in the roots, you can use a diffuser. You can use a diffuser and then add the attachment onto your blow dryer and just get in there. Me, I don't typically do that. I just let her do his thing. But my favorite part, my favorite part is you don't have to do this, but I like to do this. So once my hair is done drying under the dryer, hooded dryer, I take my blow dryer, sorry. I take my blow dryer and then I just shake it up. I just shake my hair up on the lowest setting. I don't even add heat to it really. It's on number 1 because again, I'm not looking to dry the hair, but I like to shake it up so I can add some more movement to my hair. And boom. And I do like my hair a little messy. I don't really like too perfect. So yeah, I like this like that. Boom. That's it. She's done. And this will last me again 7 to 10 days, even longer, but I just like to stick to a weekly schedule and keep up with it that way. But yeah, girl, who said washing goes can't move? Yeah. And honestly guys, this is my form of protective style. For me, I like definition over, you know, length or how big my hair is, because for me, I know that my hair is going to expand throughout the day, so I don't mind it being a little crunchy first couple days, and then eventually it's going to expand. So we all know day one hair is not, you know, it don't be popping like that. You know, it's really like day 3-ish, 4. Yeah, that's when it really just starts to take shape, for real. But yeah guys, this is my wash and go routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys like to see more videos like this. And thank you for watching. Talk to y'all soon.